Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we're reviewing a friend set number 41004, and this is Stephanie there. This is called a rehearsal stage. Released in 2013, and has 198 pieces and one mini doll minifig. All right, so that's Stephanie. So this is the box. Here's the pieces on the back, or the different things that you can do with it. All right, nothing much else to that. All right, so let's have a look inside the box. There's the sticker sheet, because there is a few stickers in this. There's the spare parts and hairbrush and crown, a few flowers for that. Flowers, you're saying? Yeah, flowers. I think all the friend sets have flowers, pretty much all of them. Alright, this is the instruction booklet for it. That's the doll with the guitar, electric guitar. And yeah, that's the stage, and there's a little side thing you build as well for the back. I'll show you that. That's the preparation stage dresser. Alright, and there is all the friends sets you can get, and it's got a little box there so you can tick them off as you get them. Alright, that's it there. What it looks like. There's Heart Lake City, and there's some more advertising material there. There's some advertising material. There's some more friend sets there that we will be reviewing if I've got some of them. I think I've got most of them. Piece count. That's it, and some more advertising. Okay, and that is it. So let's get to it. Let's have a look at Stephanie. Okay. Let's have a look at her. She's got a little crown, tiara, whatever you want to call it. Some nice printing there on the top. And legs or shoes. Nice printing on the guitar. So that's held by yeah. It's her. Okay, so let's put her back on a little swivel there. It's there. This is where she plays the piano, or whoever's practicing on the rehearsal stage, or ballet with the mirror. And there's the flashing lights. In the background of the speaker for the guitar. It's rehearsal. This is the change rooms or whatever. That drawer opens, as you can see. And there's flowers there. There's a drink there. There's the mirror. Little stool to sit on. Look, yeah, it's friends. It's good little set. These earlier ones were pretty much made for if you had buildings already set up, probably. That's what I would say. Because you wouldn't stick this out in the in a Lego city on the main street somewhere, would you? So it would have to be in the back of somebody's house, or in a house already made up. But some of the Lego Friends sets are pretty good, like the latest ones that are coming out. They're really, really good. It's amusement parks and whatever. That's great. So, but that's it, guys. That's what it is. It spins around. So she could be practicing with her piano lessons, keyboard. And there's supposed to be a mic on there that I don't know if I've got. Might be in the spare parts section. Yes, it is. See, there's a mic in there. With that supposed to be on there. So that's that. All right. Okay, guys. Well, that's it. It's 198 pieces. One minifig was released in 2013. Set number 41004. A friend set and Stephanie, and its rehearsal stage. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.